In this video, we'll be showing you how to draw an easy Christmas tree. Here, we're starting off by showing you a basic breakdown of the shapes that you're going to be using to draw your Christmas tree. Okay, with that done, let's begin on the tree. The first step is to make the big triangles. Make a sweeping motion down, and then for the bottom of the triangle, make little jagged ridges going across. Then, on the other side, have a sweeping motion come down again. And then repeat this step for the bottom two triangles, making them gradually larger than the other. With the main structure complete, imagine there's a straight line going all the way through your tree. We'll use this to keep it symmetrical and also to get the stump. Now add in some parallel lines and shading to make it look more realistic. Now it's time to add a shadow under each of the three triangle sections of your tree. This will add depth to the image. Now, draw vertical lines going up the tree to make it look like branches. Then, if you would like, feel free to use your finger to smudge the graphite to add in shading. Next, add whichever tree topper you would like. To add a string of lights to your tree, draw 3 diagonal lines across each of the triangles. You can also make them slightly curved to give them the appearance that they're wrapping around the tree. You can also add little bulbs to make it look like lights. And if you would like to, feel free to add ornaments to your tree. Just draw a simple circle and add a little shading to it. And here you can see we've redefined some of the lines, added some more shading, and a couple more details. Feel free to make any adjustments to your tree. That's how you draw a Christmas tree. Thanks for watching.